Hi everyone, so today we're doing something a little bit different. We're here at Herring Green Activity Farm and Falconry Centre. Most of you have seen the owl shots I did a couple of years ago, so today we're making a set of videos, going to run through all the different locations, shoot, headshots and show you how to do it, settings and the setup for it. We've got our handler Rhea today. He's going to help us out getting the birds sat. We're going to, like I say, do some perch ones, do some flying ones later, various locations, just to show you a variety of shots. So the first setup we're going to do is we're going to do a few birds, headshots, close-ups. I'm using the 1DX 2470 lens 2.8. I've got two PIXAPRO City 600 set up. Both with soft boxes, little 60 centimeters. I would normally use something larger, but we've got a little bit of wind today, so best to keep it simple. So what we're going to do, the first shot, we're using shutter speed somewhere about 125, 160. Aperture is going to be between 8 and 11. We've got both lights at the moment set even distance, about 8th power, but we'll adjust them as we go. As I've shown you before, trigger on the camera, once the lights are set, I can adjust everything from here, all the powers, without having to go back to the lights. Let's get on. Smile for me, trigger. At the moment, I'm using one light. I would recommend to everyone, even if you're shooting a model, always try a variation of lights. You don't need 6 lights just to light something up. Sometimes your best shots will come from one single light. What we're going to do here, I'm just from the trigger, I'm going to turn back on the other light. And I'm using manual mode at the moment. I'll show you some of the ETTL stuff later, show you how good the system is. So again, it's always nice to get different angles on the birds, and you don't have to go and move the light in, just move yourself. Big smile, trigger, that's it, you're looking superb. At me, at me. They always say don't work with animals or children, but these ones are lovely to work with. That's nice. And as you can see, the lighting keeps up really well with whatever rate I want to shoot at. I mean, here we are, we're just shooting against a black cladded building, but as you'll see in the shots, we can turn this all the way down to pure black. So again, I've just changed the aperture a little bit. I'm going to have a look at what I've got. I can change all these settings from the trigger. Here I'm just going to go a little bit softer with the lighting, just to give a bit more of a dramatic feel to it. And again, take a lot of pictures. You know, you want to get back and you don't want to feel that you've missed anything. So just let the bird sit, move his head round. I know Judge will always say it's best to get 2 eyes in, but you just want natural shots of them. Lovely where the wind blows through the feathers. And the great thing with setting the lighting like this is by shooting across the bird, you know, what will happen is where the light falls in, every feather detail will either have a highlight or a shadow, which gives you, know, when you look at these things closely, the detail in them is absolutely amazing. So what we've done, we've just quickly swapped over now to Harris Hawk. This one's a juvenile. Hopefully it's going to be plenty of noise in a sec. I want the mouth open shot with it looking straight at me. Let's crack on.
Ah,